Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Honda Beach here in Tenerife. Here we have a small map of the beach, Playa Honda. There in the distance, I see some surfers. Here is the sunbed area, and let me show you some prices too. One sunbed €3, one umbrella €3, two sunbed and one umbrella €9. Located on the east coast of the island, close to the airport, Playa Honda offers a different kind of beach experience. It's less about the tourist crowd and more about the raw natural beauty of Tenerife coastline. What I immediately love about this place is its unique character. These volcanic rocks create such a dramatic landscape, and the sound of the waves crashing against them, it's just so calming. Unlike some of the more popular beaches in the south, Playa Honda has a much more local feel. It's a place where you can really escape the hustle and bustle and just connect with the ocean. You see people bringing their own chairs and towel, finding their own little piece of paradise amongst the rocks. It's definitely a different pace here. It feels a bit more wild and untouched, which is something I really appreciate. If you are looking for a beach in Tenerife that's a little off the beaten path of and offers something a bit more unique, then Playa Honda should definitely be on your list. But Playa Honda isn't just about its striking looks, it's also a bit of heaven for surfers. The waves here can be really consistent, making it a fantastic spot for all levels. You can even see a surf school operating right here, which tells you all you need to know about the surf condition. It's got a real laid back, surfy vibe here. Okay, here we have a lifeguard point. Okay, my friends, this was Playa Honda here in Tenerife. I hope you like it. I know for sure that I like this wild and not too crowded beach. Thank you for watching. See you next time.